1. What is the primary function of a sensor in an IoT system? A. Data processing. B. Data storage. C. Data transmission. D. Data sensing. Answer: D. Data sensing. 2. Which type of sensor is used to detect temperature in an IoT application? A. Proximity sensor. B. Light sensor. C. Temperature sensor. D. Pressure sensor. Answer: C. Temperature sensor. 3. Which of the following is an example of an actuator in an IoT device? A. Camera. B. GPS module. C. Servo motor. D. Temperature sensor. Answer: C. Servo motor. 4. What is the role of a microcontroller in an IoT device? A. To process data from the cloud. B. To provide internet connectivity. C. To manage power supply. D. To control and execute tasks. Answer: D. To control and execute tasks. 5. Which communication protocol is commonly used for IoT devices with low power consumption? A. Bluetooth. B. Wi-Fi. C. Zigbee. D. Ethernet. Answer: C. Zigbee. 6. Which sensor can detect the presence or absence of an object without physical contact? A. Ultrasonic sensor. B. Infrared sensor. C. Pressure sensor. D. Light sensor. Answer: B. Infrared sensor. 7. What does MEMS stand for in the context of IoT sensors? A. Microelectromechanical systems. B. Microelectronic motion sensors. C. Mobile environmental monitoring system. D. Multiple environmental measurement systems. Answer: A. Microelectromechanical systems. 8. Which actuator can be used to control the flow of water in an automated irrigation system? A. Servo motor. B. Solenoid valve. C. Stepper motor. D. Linear actuator. Answer: B. Solenoid valve. 9. What is the function of an analog to digital converter (ADC) in a microcontroller? A. Converts analog signals to digital for processing. B. Converts digital signals to analog for output. C. Connects microcontroller to the internet. D. Controls the power supply of the microcontroller. Answer: A. Converts analog signals to digital for processing. 10. Which type of sensor is suitable for detecting the level of liquid in a tank? A. Light sensor. B. Temperature sensor. C. Proximity sensor. D. Ultrasonic sensor. Answer: D. Ultrasonic sensor. 11. In IoT terminology, what does MQTT stand for? A. Message queuing telemetry transport. B. Microcontroller quality test and transfer. C. Mobile query and transmission toolkit. D. Multi-question telemetry tracker. Answer: A. Message queuing telemetry transport. 12. Which actuator can be used to control the opening and closing of doors in a smart home? A. Stepper motor. B. Servo motor. C. DC motor. D. Linear actuator. Answer: C. DC motor. 13. Which communication protocol is widely used for short-range communication between IoT devices and smartphones? A. Wi-Fi. B. NFC, near-field communication. C. Bluetooth. D. LoRaWAN. Answer: C. Bluetooth. 14. Which type of sensor is used to measure air quality and detect harmful gases in an environment? A. Light sensor. B. Gas sensor. C. Humidity sensor. D. Proximity sensor. Answer: B. Gas sensor. 15. Which component is responsible for managing power consumption and sleep modes in an IoT device? A. Microcontroller. B. Sensor. C. Actuator. D. Gateway. Answer, A. Microcontroller. 16. What is the primary role of a gateway in an IoT ecosystem? A. Processing sensor data. B. Providing internet connectivity. C. Controlling actuators remotely. D. Aggregating and forwarding data between devices and the cloud. Answer, D. Aggregating and forwarding data between devices and the cloud. 17. Which type of sensor is used to detect the distance between the sensor and an object? A. Light sensor. B. Proximity sensor. C. Temperature sensor. D. Humidity sensor. Answer, B. Proximity sensor. 18. In an IoT system, what does LPWAN stand for? A. Low Power Wi-Fi Access Network. B. Low Power Wide Area Network. C. Long Range Personal Wireless Access Network. D. Low Power Wireless Area Network. Answer, B. Low Power Wide Area Network. 19. Which actuator is commonly used for precise positioning in robotics and automation applications? A. Servo motor. B. Stepper motor. C. DC motor. D. Linear actuator. Answer, B. Stepper motor. 20. What is the purpose of a real-time clock, RTC, in an IoT device? A. To synchronize with other IoT devices. B. To control the actuator movements. C. To keep track of time even when the device is powered off. D. To convert analog signals to digital data. Answer, C. To keep track of time even when the device is powered off. 21. Which type of sensor can detect the intensity of light in an environment? A. Temperature sensor. B. Light sensor. C. Gas sensor. D. Humidity sensor. Answer, B. Light sensor. 22. In an IoT context, what does NFC stand for? A. Near field communication. B. Network frequency control. C. Network file coordinator. D. New firmware configuration. Answer, A. Near field communication. 23. Which actuator is used for converting electrical signals into mechanical movements in a linear fashion? A. Servo motor. B. Stepper motor. C. Linear actuator. D. DC motor. Answer, C. Linear actuator. 24. Which communication protocol is suitable for long-range communication in IoT applications, especially in rural and remote areas? A. Zigbee. B. LoRaWAN. C. Bluetooth. D. Wi-Fi. Answer, B. LoRaWAN. 25. Which type of sensor can measure the relative humidity in the air? A. Light sensor. B. Proximity sensor. C. Temperature sensor. D. Humidity sensor. Answer, D. Humidity sensor.